Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Miss Beth's place. I'm Miss Beth. Today I'm going to do a chicken casserole for y'all. This is one that has the Ritz crackers on top. So, I don't know about y'all, but me and my husband are kind of empty nesters, I guess you could say. We have no kids at home anymore, so it's kind of hard to cook for just two people, especially, when you're used to cooking for 3 or 4 people. So today I'm going to attempt to make a chicken casserole and make it where I don't have a million leftovers to have to give out to everybody. I just want it to be hot and fresh and just enough for me and him, and maybe enough for a little bit later. So today I've got everything pretty much ready to go. I'm just going to show you what all I put in it. The first thing I'm going to do, I cooked 2 large chicken breasts. I got them cooked and all seasoned and cut up in little chunks. I'm going to put those in the bowl. It's a 1 bowl deal. Next, normally I use a can of veg-all, but I don't like to go to the grocery store, so on Sunday I like to be able to just cook with whatever I have on hand, like whatever I can scrounge up, kind of throw together my hodgepodge dinner. So this is 1 small potato cut into little cubes and cooked, 3 tiny little carrots cut up in little pieces and cooked, and then I've got about maybe 1/4 of a cup of the little sweet peas. So I'm gonna throw that in there, but it's got a little bit of juice in it. Alrighty, and then you got to have your cream of chicken soup. So got 1 can of Campbell's cream of chicken soup. You can use any kind of cream of chicken soup you want to, but I prefer Campbell's. So we got that. Put that over in there. This is so good when it's gloomy outside like it is today. Here it's rainy and got cooler. We're in South Alabama, and I think Mother Nature's bipolar today. Can't even hold on to my can. One day she wants to be hot and beautiful, and the next day she wants to be drizzling and blowing all my plants off the front porch and all that good stuff. So there, we got that in there. Stir that around a little bit. Then we got, like I said, I don't like to go to the grocery store, so I'm going to use what I got. Sour cream. I don't know how much sour cream is in this. This is what's left. So I'm going to squeeze it all in there. Sour cream's good in chicken casserole. We just live 2 blocks from the grocery store. We zip around there on our golf cart. We call it the grocery getter. But, I still don't want to have to go if I don't have to. Alright, so let's get this bigger spatula. I'm going to stir this up real good. Doesn't that look yummy? It would help if y'all could see what I'm doing. So, I've got all my ingredients stirred together here. That look yummy? Now, I'm going to pour this over into my dish, but before I do, remember I said you got to taste your food. Now taste it. So what I'm going to put in there, I got to go over here and find my seasoning oil, and my salt, and my pepper, my Jack and Jill. A little bit of that. A little pepper. A little salt. Don't need too much salt because that cream of chicken soup's a little bit salty. Okay. So I'm gonna stir that a little bit more. I'm gonna pour it over here in my casserole dish. And I got a little the smallest casserole dish I got, because most of my casserole dishes are huge because I'm the casserole queen, and when I usually make a casserole, it lasts for 2 or 3 days, and it initially feeds probably 8 people. Okay, for my crust, I'm going to use a sleeve of Ritz crackers and a stick of butter. I normally use only 1 sleeve for the whole big casserole, so I might not need all these. Put them up. You can crush them up inside the package if you want to. I just do it by hand. See what that looks like. You want to get the butter all covering the Ritz crackers, because these are going to bake and get all buttery and crispy. Maybe almost a whole package, but I love lots of crackers on my casserole. Well, I might use all of them. Okay. Stop that. Then you just take those Ritz crackers. Distributed it evenly over the casserole. Like that. I've got my oven preheating to about 375, and I'm going to cook this casserole until it gets a little bubbly, or until the crackers start to get all golden brown on top. Usually it's not no more than 30 minutes. All right. Put it in the oven, and when it gets done, I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. It's almost done, y'all. It's bubbling, and it's getting golden brown around the edges. Y'all get on in that oven right there and look. Oh, it's bubbly, and it's getting golden brown around the edges. That smell-o-vision. Come on, somebody create that smell-o-vision, please, please, please. Y'all, this is so good. I think me and my husband probably just devour that whole dish. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, y'all, look at that, look at that. That's gonna be good, y'all. So, let me get a spoon. I'm gonna dip you out some. Oh, burn my tongue off. I'm calling this Ritzy Chicken Casserole for 2.
We have assisted Al Shabaab in Somalia. There's been instances of the Clumsy Network in Sudan.
Y'all tune into my channel. Y'all get y'all all the ingredients that you need to make it. And if you ain't got exactly what I put in it, it's, you know, make sure you get the main stuff, but make your own casserole. Make sure you put them buttery Ritz crackers on top of it, though. Don't that look good, y'all? That's gonna be yummy. Let me get me a fork. I know I'm gonna burn my tongue. So, buttery Ritz crackers on top with the chicken in there and the vegetables. Can't beat it. On a nice cool day like we're having today, and rainy. I'm so glad y'all came by to see me tonight. Y'all go get y'all some of this. Go get the ingredients and make y'all some of this. It's Ritzy Chicken Casserole for 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. See you later. Make you slap your grandma.
Hey, how you doing?